Hey, this is Mark with Revit Auto. We're going to uncrate our first set of ProCar seats for our Zephyr project. It's going to be a Pro Touring car, so we wanted something comfortable but secure for those longer rides. Very nice fabric material. Reinforced, nice seat.
Hey guys, it's Blair with Revit Auto, and in this video we're going to do a product review for the Scat ProCar seats. And what these are the Fixed Back Extreme Series Sports, and I picked these for the Zephyr project because that's a car that's going to be going to some autocross events, but mainly it's going to be a pro touring car. So we're just going to go out, go to the cruise-ins, have a really good time. It's not going to be a competition car. This isn't something that I'm going to be competing in. This is just something to go down the road, and I really like something that really glues me down to the car because I like to feel what the car can do. So this is an incredibly comfortable seat. I'm really impressed with it so far. I'm about 220 pounds, so I'm really curious to see how the molded foam will last over the duration of the drive. But so far this is really great. It's super lightweight. It's a steel frame that is just TIG welded together, so really nice quality stuff there. And it is set up to adapt for a 5-point harness. I'm not using the seat for competition. I'm really just going to be using this as a pro touring car for the Zephyr project that we built and just have a really good time. But they have a ton of other really great seat options that you have for your restoration projects. So instead of getting your current seat reupholstered, it's actually cheaper just to buy one of these. Now, they also come with sliders, but they don't come with brackets, which makes sense because every single car has a different style bracket. So I'm gonna go ahead and just modify some Fox body brackets to fit the Zephyr chassis because they're all about the same. I'll just bolt on those brackets and tilt this thing back a little bit because I like to kind of prop my legs up while I'm going down the road. But yeah, I mean, it's got lots of padding here and it's super comfortable. I've got about a 36-inch, 37-inch waist, and I fit pretty snug, but there's definitely room for someone who's a little wider than me. I'm Blair with Revit Auto. Thanks for watching this product review video, and as always, happy motoring.